Well, hello everyone. It has finally happened. The car is officially 100% done. My brother and I couldn't be more pleased with what we've accomplished. This is an absolutely gorgeous car. I know it was our original intention to put the car and bring a trailer, but we had someone reach out to us and make us an offer that we accepted. So I'm sorry to anybody who was waiting to bid on bring a trailer. I'm actually going to be sorry to see it go. I mean, the gaps on the car are just perfect. Let me close the hood. I think first we can get a little shot of the engine bay. It's been detailed out better than new. Actually, this whole car is better than new. There's the hood gaps. Perfect. Everything about this car is perfect. The body panels on this thing are just mirror-like straight. Look at the reflection of my brother's car in the fender. It is. It's like looking in a mirror. Perfect door gap. Perfect door gap. Yeah. Again, like looking in a mirror. So our journey has come to an end. And this will be our final journey. We are not going to do another one. I love this green with this tan interior. It's just nice. I'm not a fan of green cars, but I love this color green, especially with this tan interior. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm sure the guy who bought it is going to have many years of enjoyment. So this will be the last video of this car. Later.